Hey guys, Hooky for Life here, and it's 5 a.m. but I'm recording Up the Ranks Truck Series Season 2, Race 1 at Daytona. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, and the red truck already doesn't want to go, and the orange truck already dumps me. First race of the season, and I've already got this jackass dumping me. I'll get you back in Martinsville next week, is all I'm gonna say, because this race is already toast because of this jackass. You think I care though about dumping your ass? And that's right, don't fuck with me ever again. No! Oh no! Caution. We do 10 laps here, so this would be lap 3 only. And let me get under you to your inside. 3 wide for second. No, 2 wide for the lead. Yes. Or 2 wide for second. Now coming up on blue for the lead. I don't know what's wrong with my speedometers. They just are not working right now. Oh, here we go. And jeez. Why are these trucks faster than the cup cars are most of the time? What if I bump him in the straightaway? That's not the straightaway, but yep, I bumped him. Damn it, he's gonna pull way down the straightaway. I'm gonna have to turn him into turn 3. Damn, look how far he's getting ahead down the straightaway. Look how big of a run he got down the straightaway. Damn. I'm literally gonna have to turn him into the turn. Damn it. Oh, wow. Takes the lead, but also wrecks at the same time. But also thinks about taking out blue at the same time. I couldn't take out blue while I was wrecking, but I easily can come up and take out orange. Wherever he is. You think you can get away from it? Oh, did he flip? I think he did. I think he went upside down for a second. Well, that's a caution, but anyway, one sec, I've got to do that, and as well as... Hey game! Hey game! Hey game! I'm hitting escape for a reason. I need the environment tab. Give me the environment. You know what, I'm sorry, I wanted to stream this on Discord, but nope. Not gonna be able to do that. Oh, wow, I take out his ass. Oh! Oh no! Don't get in front of me before I bump you and I turn the blue car! No way! No way, I just did that. That was on accident. Complete and utter accident. Tell the blue guy I'm sorry. There's 2 to go though in this race, I think. Like, it's all on the line now. And, oh wow! The 2 liters wrecked here at Daytona. And there's a new leader here at Daytona. And the caution is out. 2 to go. Overtime restart. Have to be in first person now, which sucks because... Oh! Ah! Of course! Of course that happened. Let me look. Let me look at my front bumper, see if I got any damage there. Nah, I don't know what that green bar over on that side's for, because, like, I don't see any damage whatsoever, and watch this video not even be recorded. Oh my god, the engine cut off on its own. And that's our race. I just got the race just killed itself by turning off my engine automatically. So now I've got to rapidly try to catch yellow and blue. Huge run down the straightaway on yellow, which I probably am about to lose it all, trying to keep it straight so I can get behind yellow. Oh shit! Oh shit! Carnage down the back stretch at Daytona is all I gotta say. Damn, I just barely whizzed the rear of that one truck. Damn, if I would have avoided him, it would have been fine. That orange truck fucked me. That orange truck just said, fuck you. Oh my god, red did it again, and there's the big one. Right off my front bumper. I'm involved, and I got the worst of it, of course. My car was killed by that. I swear. I swear! No yellow! I'm just... Oh, wow! Another huge crash. You see, we hate these huge... I hate these huge crashes. Like, we always get fucked. And damn it, yellow. I will keep on wrecking you. And the one green flag run we get so far is just gonna be the one that I pull away and win in. Or not, I jinxed it, I fucking jinxed it. Of course I did. Lock it up, lock it up, lock it up, now go, 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 go. Oh! Red just took off the whole front of my car. Oh, Red just took it out of, oh my god. That's it. That's it. That's it for the field too, because I know they're all gonna hit. No, Orange, I'm not going down without a fight, Orange. Like, you ain't going by me without me fighting for it. Yeah, fuck, damn it! Alright, they're gonna slow down, and I'm just gonna make a run, and make a move for a second. Turn the leader intentionally. Destroy myself in the process. Just destroy myself worse, why not? And let's fuck up the red truck too, just because why not? Oh. Alright, as a failed attempt at Rising Star, I guess, if I can't, like, fix this. AI, stop. Yeah, of course I made that shitty ass move. Of course I hit the 0 button. That is always what happens to me. Alright guys, for that. But this is so tempting to just take out the old field. Did that just happen? Am I dreaming, or was I just able to completely wipe out the field in this series? I know, I'm starting to, like, fuck off during this series and not even focus on, like, racing right now. But don't worry, once I get reset, 0, alright, reset all, I'm gonna be way behind, but I don't really care. I just want to be able to finish this episode. Hurry. Yes. Yes. Green, green, green. Go, 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 go. And I'm way behind, so I'm probably fucked for the rest of this episode. Oh, wow. That's why I never go to the outside. Because that will always happen on the outside to me. Oh, wow. Plus, I fly whenever I touch the wall, so that's another caution for flying cars. If you don't turn into the outside, I think I'm good, but the red just caused the big one down the front stretch right above it. We are good. We are good. In the cup race that I did earlier, there was actually a huge big one. Like a legit huge big one, damn it! Oh, the leader just tricked me into braking and then just fucked me more than they fucked themselves. Oh, bumped into ass and spun! Yes! Let's go win the race, boys! It's finally gonna be over! Now, the cup race went all to hell earlier. I'm also sorry about that. Alright, he's gonna be driving backwards. I'm just expecting to see a bunch of cars start coming at me in a few seconds. So, I am high and ready and on alert for some cars to come straight at my face. Now, I can't wait for y'all to see the Martinsville, though. It's such a good racetrack. Man. And coming to one to go. Finally one to go. And there's a car on the front stretch. Of course there is. Damn. 2 cars on the front stretch just sitting there destroyed. And they just fucked me. Of course those 2 lapped cars destroyed on the front straightaway got me spun out. Alright, as long as I don't get past, it's okay. Alright, engine back on. Now just start driving, start driving, start driving. I still got the lead, I still got the lead. Wait, is there any other cars going, or is it just me? Because, like, I really feel like... Oh, blue! How'd blue get stopped down here? All I did was just not... That did so much damage! Holy... I'm so glad I lapped the whole field and then did this barrel roll in the backstretch because I still win the race. Yellow. Race over. I'll win. Let's go.